about the formulas, see here the more functions. Go to the formula, here the more functions. See here the statistical function, here lots of the function, you can choose anyone. Here the engineering function, see here the engineering function. Okay, here the cubic function, see here the cubic. Okay, information, compatibility, this is the web function. Here lots of the functions. Okay, so you can choose anyone. Also I am here for mathematical function. Suppose you have to write here the cost here. Okay, now I am writing here and cos 60. Find the function, but the value, see this is the value for the cos 60. Okay, also another one, suppose in here cos 90 degree, 90, how about the value, see this is the value of the cos 90. Another one, you can take the here sine, maybe sine theta. See here sine, maybe sine 60. See the value of the sine 60. See this is the value of the sine 60. So this is the mathematical formula also. Okay, thank you.